here I'm going to show how to calculate quartile and percentile using Excel. So let's look at this example. In a survey, people were asked to answer how many times they have traveled out of country. So we will be using this data to find quartile and percentile in Excel. So let's enter this data in our Excel. So here I'll enter the data values. It's 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones and 2 zeros. So once you are done entering data, you can just click anywhere in an empty cell. So now to find Q1, you can type equals, then type quartile, Quartile, then put your parentheses, then go up here and then select the data. Okay. Now we are trying to find first quartile or Q1, so we will type 1 and then close the parentheses, then that will give us Q1. So for that one, I will just label that as Q1. Okay. For second quartile, type in equals, then again type in quartile, Quartile, then put your parentheses, type your parentheses, go here and then select the data. Okay. So now put comma, then since you are trying to find Q2 or median or second quartile, so type in 2, then close your parentheses, then you can either hit tab or enter. So that will give you second quartile or median or Q2. Now let's find third quartile or Q3. So type in equals, then type in quartile, Quartile, then put your parentheses, go up here and then select the data. Now put comma, type comma, then for third quartile, you'll be typing 3. Okay. Now close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So that will give you third quartile or Q3. You can also find minimum and maximum. So for minimum, I will just write MIN, then type in equals, then type MIN, then put your parentheses. Okay. Then go here, select the data, then close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So that will give the minimum. So for maximum, so to find max, type in equals, then type in max, then put your parentheses, go up here and then select the data. Then close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So that will give you maximum. So these are the values for first quartile or Q1, Q2, Q3, minimum, and maximum. Now let me show you how to find percentile in Excel. Now to find 80th percentile, I will just label this as 80th. Okay. So now to find 80th percentile, type in equals, then type in percentile, Percentile, then put your parentheses, then go here and select the data. Okay. Okay, now type in comma. Then since we are trying to find 80th percentile, then type in 0.8. Now close your parentheses, then hit tab. So this is the value at 80th percentile. So basically, this gives data value at 80th percentile. which is P sub 80. Okay. Let me stress this little bit so that we can see everything that I write on here. So now let's find 30th percentile. So to find 30th percentile, type in equals, then type in percentile, Percentile, then put your parentheses, then go to your data and select the data. So now type in a comma. Since we are trying to find 30th percentile, then we would be typing 0.3, then close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So this is the value at 30th percentile. So it gives data value at 30th percentile. Now let's find percentile of some number. So for example, let's find percentile of 2. So to find percentile of 2, type equals, then type PRCENT percent rank, then type parentheses, go up here and then select the data. Okay, since we are trying to find percentile of 2, then you would be type comma, then since you are trying to find percentile of 2, then you would be typing 2. Then close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So that will give you percentile of 2. This means that percentile of 2 is 50. So let's look at another example. Let's try to find percentile of 6. Percentile, a percentile of 6. So now to find that, type in equals, then type percent rank, then put parentheses, then go here and select your data. Then type comma. Since we are trying to find percentile of 6, then you would be typing 6. Then close your parentheses, then hit tab or enter. So basically this means that percentile of 6 is, this means that percentile of 6 is 81.2. Let me move this little bit so that we can see what I just wrote.